Let me tell you how I see things. And I've developed this this thinking, or I've developed this philosophy because I've worked a lot with business owners in transforming the companies and redressing the business. I 100% agree that it's not fair to cut salaries on people, to cut the income. 100% agree. The way I see it is, if I have a ship that's sinking, if I have a business that's sinking, would you rather have everyone on that ship well fed while sinking, or you will compromise on their dinner and try to save the ship? I know it's harsh. I know it's not fair. But looking at the big picture, our role as an HR is to keep the company alive. So let's say if we pay 100% of the salary for 2-3 months, and then we kill the company, goes dead or goes bankrupt, we have not done anyone a favor. All what we have done is we have marked 100% of the employees for unemployment. However, if we take the decision to let go 20% of the employees, and again, probably the low performers, probably the ones who are not contributing well, with so many criteria, and we do it as fairly as possible, we will be saving 80% of the people. So I look at it from this angle. I'd rather save 80% than putting in the unemployment 100%. This is how I look at it. %, spot on. I have worked with HR who thought that P&L is something and HR is something else. Well, if we don't have a P&L, we don't have an HR. We don't have a business. We don't have a company. So it's very important to understand that, yes, it's full ownership of the P&L.